laser! Jungle laser! Fry you with my laser!
Hey, Eggman, smile for the birdie.
Ah, they're pecking my eyes! Why would I ever smile at this? Stop smiling! What are you doing? We should fight this way.
No, this way. The natural direction of the fight is taking us left.
Yes, we should go left. My left.
No, my left.
My left. You're right.
I know I'm right. We should go left. That's the right left.
That doesn't even make any sense. I'm okay.
Ah! I twisted my ankle.
I finally have you.
Tuckered out, Eggman? Have a taste of my spin dash. You just got spin dashed.
There's no other way in. Sonic's trapped.
That means Dr. Eggman's trapped too.
We're free! Free, I tells ya! I can buy a houseboat and live on it even though it's a boat!
And I can finally finish my memoirs. I've been told I'm a natural raconteur.
And I've been told I'm a neutral raccoon!
Well, we're sticking around to free Sonic. But until then, one of us needs to be in charge.
Good thinking, Amy. I'll be in charge.
You? I'm in charge.
I don't trust anyone in charge.
I know. Why don't we all be in charge?
No!
Ah, perfect. We're stuck here.
Correction. You're stuck here.
Catch you later, egg face.
Catch you later, egg face.
That's you. That's what you sound like. Wait! I can hook the Eggmobile's tow cable to this floor tile, but it doesn't have enough power to pull it open.
I can pull your dumb Eggmobile across the room, if that's our only option.
Get in a Hedgehog harness.
What? No way! If you tell anyone about this...
Mush! Mush!
I'm mushing! I'm mushing! Did we just cooperate?
Yep, and I got great photos.
Fine. If we can't decide who's in charge, we'll split up. Who wants to be on Team Amy?
Great. And who wants Knuckles to lead Team Amy?
Amy leads Team Amy. Knuckles leads Team Knuckles.
Wait, there's a Team Knuckles now?
Can I be on both teams?
No!
We all have to pick a side, Tails. Now, who's it gonna be? Amy?
Or Amy? I still don't get how this works.
Help! We can't be on our own!
All that freedom, too many choices.
This looks like a message written in the temple's lost language.
Ha! Congratulations! You are in the bowels of Buddy Buddy Temple. Enter as strangers, leave as best pals forever.
Follow the example of the Buddy Beavers to become true bosom buddy amigos.
I ain't interested in your bosom buddy.
Buddy Beavers. Pull your lever, Eggman! Let's do it together.
You were too beautiful to live. Let's go over it one more time. Who's leading us right now?
Me.
We're not getting anywhere like this. Maybe I should be in charge.
No!
Why would there be little holes in this wall? Maybe people put pennies in them.
Darts!
Get off me!
You're welcome.
Ah, my ankle! I think it's sprained. Nope, it's definitely sprained. Oh, it's twisted, something fierce. Oh. About this morning, I'm sorry for, blasting you with all those lasers. I need to learn not to try to incinerate you all the time.
Thanks, I guess. We gotta hit these at the same time.
Ah, I can't believe you fell for the old sprained ankle act. I stole the idea from you. Ow, my ankle, I think it's sprained. Man, those improv classes are really paying off.
Oh, you eggs, Benedict Arnold!
So long, Hedgehog! Hope you don't find this turn of events crushing. Get it? Because you'll be crushed by the walls? They'll crush you? I'll explain it after you're crushed. Come on! Why would there be another door? I just opened one. Who even designed this temple? It's okay, Eggman. You got this. Just pull both levers. Stay down, levers. Stay down. I was so close. Hedgehog, hit your button. Let's go. Giddy up. Okay, I understand why you might be upset with me. We're bosom buddy amigos now. Give me a big smile.
Let's just get out of here before the roof caves in!
If I was in charge, we'd be in the temple already.
And if you were in charge, I'd be in the temple already.
Hello? Fellas?
You're so incompetent, you don't even know how to argue.
You're right. Most of the time, I'm very confused and just yell back things.
It doesn't matter who's leading. We're never getting into this temple.
Sonic, are you helping Eggman?
What? No. There's our way out!
An old minecart? We don't even know where it goes.
What, you want to stay here? Okay, ready? Lift.
Pump, lift, pump, lift, pump, lift, pump, lift, pump. Lift, pump, lift, pump, lift. Yes!
We're so happy you're back, boss!
We'll never desert you again.
You'll never what?
I mean, would you mind reading a draft of my memoirs?
Thank goodness we've got Sonic back again. Knuckles, I can't believe we squabbled like that.
Yeah, you were out of control.
I was out of control. You were being totally obstinate.
I don't know what obstinate means, but I refuse to learn.
You know, we actually made a pretty good team. It was almost like we were friends or something.
Yeah, like that would ever happen. Catch you later, Eggface.
Not if I destroy you first.
I don't care what anyone says. Meh burgers are the best burgers. It's like Mardi Gras in my mouth. Only no one in my mouth is handing out beads.
Well, what's he gonna do with that skateboard?
I think he's gonna ride it.
What? He's riding a skateboard. How is that impressive?
He's got serious streetwise style.
He's jumping 6 inches off the ground.
Radical speed.
Oh, for the love of...
Wow, those were some sweet moves.
Thanks, bro.
You hear that? He called me bro.
Yeah, I heard. He's quite a wordsmith.
It's Swifty. Swifty the shrew.
I don't see what the fuss is about. He's just a shrew in gaudy clothes.
I got it.
You caught my burger.
Radical speed.
Radical speed.
Give me a break. I can feed people sandwiches. Watch.
Hey, lay off, man! Help! Help! My baby!
Somebody needs to help that baby.
Say no more, compadre bromigo. Time for some
Radical speed.
Ah! Yeah, well, I'm saving the day, too. Time for some rescuing, baby! Action, hero-ness. I'll figure out a catchphrase later. Ow, my retinas!
Glue. Get your fresh glue here.
Remember, when you need a hero with style, give me a call. I'm Swifty the Shrew. Catch you around, dudes and lady dudes.
I'd love to be his lady dude.
Me too. Oh,
Fainting party.
Lousy Swifty and his lousy in-your-face streetwise style. Lousy hip urban lingo.
And did you see the way he pulled down his sunglasses and winked? Oh, he's perfect.
I know. If he ever visited me, I'd disable all my booby traps.
You never disable your booby traps.
I know.
This is one bodacious, radical flying machine, Deuterino, bro guy.
Deuterino bro guy.
Totally radical engineering.
Hey, that's my best friend you're bonding with, punk.
Whoa, chillax, Blue Man. What's the big dealio?
The big dealio is I'm sick of you. I'm sick of your gelled back fur, and I'm sick of your hip urban lingo with words like dealio.
Let's not go aggro, Brozilla. Can't help if I'm more handsome, styling, and totally faster than you.
You're not faster than me.
Bro, you've got speed, but not radical speed.
Stop saying that. It's not even a thing.
Radical speed is totally a thing.
Oh, a race around the village will prove that it isn't.
Yeah, sounds dope. Winner gets bragging rights.
Agreed.
And the loser leaves town.
Wait, what?
If you don't think you got the skills.
Oh, I've got the skills, all right. I'm so full of skills that skills are leaking out of my ears. I mean, not literally, because that would be disgusting. See you at the race.
Man, can you believe that guy? What a lameoid!
That lameoid is my best friend. That didn't come out right.
Swifty, you're the lameoid. You're 1,000 times the lameoid that Sonic is.
But look at my flashy threads and fly shades.
Yeah, look at his flashy threads and fly shades.
Knuckles! Swifty, get out.
So long, losers. Swifty out.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for the race of a lifetime. The winner will have the right to brag whenever and wherever he wants. The loser will, let's see now, be banished from the village forever. That seems a little harsh, but rules are rules. Racers, on your marks, get set, go!
What if Sonic doesn't win? He'll win. Nobody's faster than Sonic.
Radical speed!
Radical, shut your pie hole! Okay, I won. This is the part where everyone cheers.
Radical smoothie.
He won with time to get a smoothie, but how? I passed him. I saw it. Something smells fishy about this race.
I told you! I have irritable bowel syndrome!
I think it's time for someone to be all banished, yo.
Sonic the Hedgehog, in accordance with Town Bylaw 77415, subsection B, paragraph 9, I hereby declare you banished.
No. No. No.
I can't accept that Sonic is gone.
But Sonic is gone! You all fell victim to the charms of my greatest robot yet!
A robot?
Well, more like an army of robots.
Radical.
Sonic didn't lose the race. There were just multiple Swifties all along the track. I call shenanigans.
It's too late for shenanigans! Now, without your precious hedgehog hero to stop me, I can finally fulfill my lifelong evil dream! Building my own theme park!
That doesn't sound very evil.
It might even create some new jobs.
Silence! In my theme park empire, your entire village will be forced to wait in long lines, buy overpriced merch, and eat weak old turkey legs covered in preservatives. And remember, it all started with a shrew.
We need Sonic.
Get Sonic back!
Oh, well, it's not that simple. He's been banished.
Then unbanish him.
I can't just unbanish someone. Unbanishing requires an assembly of the village council.
Then assemble them.
I suppose I could do that. I hereby call to order the unbanishing proceedings. Okay, let's see. Hedgehog, Sonic. Middle name, The. Now, where is his 1087 Q1B form?
Just do it already!
All in favor of unbanishing Sonic so that he can save our lives, say aye.
Aye!
All opposed?
Nay.
I hereby declare Sonic unbanished. Unbanished.
Go ahead.
Unradical.
My theme park! I was gonna make a killing off that merch.
Catch you later, egg face! I did it! I have a catchphrase! Catch you later, egg face! Ha! Catch ya later, egg face!
Let's not kill it, son.
There's nothing like a lazy day on the beach.
It's nice to breathe in that beautiful saltwater air and relax. For the first time, I feel totally stress-free.
Hey, guys! I just perfected my most brilliant invention yet. Meet UT, the Universal Translator, designed to translate any language into our own. Allow me to demonstrate.
The fact that you pre-chew my food is repulsive.
Hey, it works!
Didn't see that one coming.
It's still talking?
I thought this thing just translated birds.
Since what you're saying doesn't need to be translated, UT is translating it into what you really mean.
I didn't intend for it to do that, but I will gladly accept full credit.
That's great, Tails.
Pretty lame.
That's not what I was thinking at all.
Man, I am totally busted.
Tails, I think it needs some more work.
If that thing doesn't shut its metal trap, I think I might die.
Wait, this thing reads minds?
Wait, this thing reads minds.
Get it out of my head!
Get it out of my head.
Now, calm down, Sticks.
Take it easy, whack job.
Hey!
I am displeased.
Don't be offended, Sticks. Knuckles didn't mean to think that.
He's not the sharpest tool in the shed.
Tails, I think it's best if you shut that thing off. We don't want it to reveal anything too sensitive.
Shut that thing off before it tells Sonic that I
What was he saying?
Nothing important.
Very interesting. It seems Tails' new invention is causing friction between Sonic and his friends.
Yeah, and they're not getting along either.
This gives me an idea. If I build a duplicate robot to replace the original, I could have it say whatever I want. They'll be at each other's throats in no time. And with the group divided, I can destroy them once and for all! Don't laugh with me, you're ruining it.
Wow, UT. My friends normally love my inventions. I can't believe you had such a lousy debut.
I blame myself.
No, if it's anyone's fault, it's mine. After all, I'm the one who... Oh, wait. You were just saying my thoughts, huh?
I feel like such a dummy.
Things will go better tomorrow, I promise. Good night, UT. Okay, I know things got off on the wrong foot yesterday, but
Tails, I think it would be best if you turned UT off.
Amy Rose is a big dope.
Oh, so now that's what you're thinking?
What? No, not even close.
And her hair stinks! What does she shampoo with?
Yogurt from the back of the fridge.
Why would you even say that?
But I didn't say that. He did.
Sure you didn't.
I'm stupid.
Hey, I'm not stupid.
And, I'm ugly too, but not as ugly as Sticks.
Hey!
What? Ow! Get off of me! Now this is going nicely.
Dr. Eggman is a genius.
Hey, I like your style.
You're the only one who understands me.
I think we've seen enough of this.
Let's turn off the monitors and focus on praising Dr. Eggman.
Sonic the Hedgehog, I can't believe you think those awful things!
So now you're gonna trust some bucket of bolts over me?
So wait, who called me stupid? What, I called me stupid?
Don't you see? This is what it wants us to do! The robo-apocalypse is nigh!
After everything I do for you, you don't appreciate me. Why am I even here?
I know my friends wouldn't think such horrible thoughts about each other. Maybe UT's malfunctioning? What the heck? I didn't install a remote speaker. Hey, you guys! Stop! We've been duped! Eggman swiped UT and replaced him with this imposter! We gotta save the real UT! Don't you guys want to get UT back?
The thing is, Bud, that robot of yours just makes us fight all the time.
It's evil, I tell ya!
Fine, I see how it is. I'll go get him back myself.
Would you like another slice of cake?
What a beautiful cake. I hope no one sits on it.
Eggman!
Landing in that cake really hurt my credibility.
Not now, UT! Give me back my robot!
Or what?
That's a fair question.
Where's that blue loser? And the rest of your friends?
I'm here alone. I came to negotiate the release of my robot, UT.
Negotiate? Usually we just battle till the losing party, sometimes you, sometimes me, it's about a 50-50 split, retreats to his lair.
Let's pretend that's true and that you don't always lose. In exchange for the safe return of my robot, I'm prepared to offer my services as your lab assistant.
Intriguing. With two mechanical geniuses under one roof, I'd raise my win ratio well above the 50-50 mark that we both agreed earlier was completely accurate.
Then it's a deal?
I'll have Orbot draw up a contract. This will be delicious! Having one of Sonic's friends helping me build the tools that will destroy him!
It's ripe with irony, your evilness. Sonic won't know what hit him.
But wait, the moment Sonic realizes you're missing, he'll come bursting through that door with that circus troupe he calls friends and put a damper on all the fun.
I've already thought of that. Since you're letting UT go, I'll just send a message along with him.
Good thinking, number two.
I thought I was number two.
Oh, please. I need a computer to figure out where you fall in the pecking order. Fortunately, I have one here. 347.
Hey, gang. It's Tails. I'm going to be staying with Eggman. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% safe and happy.
Hey, here comes Tails' missing robot.
We found him! When you see Tails, tell him we looked everywhere for a long time.
Or we could just recycle the thing and take a blood oath never to tell a soul. What? Just spitballing here.
Hey, gang. It's Tails. I'm going to be staying with Eggman. No need to rescue me. I'm 100% safe and happy.
I snuck into Eggman's lair to save my robot. It was awesome. You should have seen me. Anyways, I need you to come rescue me now. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Wow, UT really came in handy.
Maybe it's not as dumb an invention as we thought.
Yeah, but we should still smash it. It's just to be safe.
No time for that now. We gotta go save Tails.
Tails, be a doll and plug my drill into that outlet over there.
That doesn't look very safe.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm having you do it.
Well,
It's nice having an assistant.
Pick it up.
We're here to save our friend from your evil clutches.
Wait, what? No, Tails and I have a contract.
Here's the lab assistant contract, ready to be signed.
Fine. Lucky thing I always have a plan B.
Amy, look out! That was close.
I care about your well-being.
Aww.
Man.
Tails, deploy the photon bombs! Oh, right.
Sticks, set Knuckles up!
No! Ah!
Thanks for the rescue, guys.
Hey, we couldn't have done it without UT.
I think we'll be going on lots more adventures with UT from now on.
I agree.
I'm going to destroy that stupid robot.
Sorry, Tails. Had to be done.
Dr. Eggman's evil fireman robot is running loose!
Why does everyone assume every evil robot is mine?
Well, I don't know, experience?
You're fired, pal. Get it? I guess not.
Shouldn't firemen put out fires?
Hello, that's the irony. It's the evil opposite of a fireman. I mean, I assume.
Sonic, the evil anti-fire bot is putting a baby walrus into a burning house!
Sonic, evil anti-firebot is putting a kitten in a tree.
Go, evil fireman! Okay, I admit it, it's mine. Evil robots are what I do. Why stop if you're good at it?
This has gone on long enough.
I, left the oven on.
Looks like that robot is fired.
Hey! No one laughed when I said it.
Sticks, could you get that kitten out of the tree?
Sure thing, Sonic.
Sticks? Sticks? Sticks!
What?
Sticks, we want to talk about how you treat animals.
It's not a good idea to shake kittens out of trees.
I know the law of the jungle. Trees are no kitten zones.
That's a real law?
You should get a pet. It would help you learn to love animals. Don't you think, Sonic?
Yes, absolutely.
Then you can take Sticks pet shopping right now.
No, absolutely not.
I like cute, fuzzy, and adorable. See? Too cute. Too fuzzy. So adorable. It's
Disgusting?
the least objectionable option. Oh, who's a little cluster wuster? I'm gonna name him Buster.
Buster the Cluster?
Sticks, when I said get a pet, I didn't think you'd come back with something so
Wonderful.
Ookie.
Sticks, are you sure you want to keep this cluster?
Ahem. It's Buster. Finally, I have an adorable little pet that doesn't disgust me.
Ew, Buster got slime in my fur.
That just means he loves you. Oh. hungry little cluster. Who's a hungry, wongry cluster wuster, huh?
Would Buster like a French fry? I don't want any. They've got slime on them.
No. We only eat organic garbage now, don't we, Buster?
Help! Someone is robbing the Danger Code Deadly Equipment warehouse! Seriously, help!
Cybernetic tentacles? Check. Deadly nanobots? Check. Evil spare parts? Check. Oh, these people have everything.
Look, it's Sonic. Let's grab the boxes and go.
Pinchbots, you take care of them.
They've got her on back. Someone stop them.
I got him.
Quick, Sticks, run around back and head him off.
I don't want to put Buster in danger. Besides, it's his walk time.
We have to talk.
Oh, no.
I'm afraid so, Sticks.
You bought him a cluster sock for our 1-week anniversary, but you didn't know I already made him one.
No! Buster's getting in the way of everything!
He ruined our chance to stop those robots.
Ugh, he got slime all over my equipment.
First you say you want me to have a pet, then you say you don't want me to have a pet. I know what's going on here. A massive government mind control experiment!
That's one theory. The other is we just want you to discipline him. Show some... Forget it! Either Buster goes or we do.
Well, if Buster goes, I go. And I'm not going!
Oh, I guess that means we go.
Wait, this is my house.
Oh, hello. I was just stopping by with a present for your little cluster.
A present? For Buster?
Since little Buster here was created in my lab, I still feel like a father to him.
You created Buster?
I did. And now I want to give him this little present.
Wait a minute. Are you sure this cluster isn't just another evil robot built to destroy?
No, it's not another evil robot. It's an evil slime bot. It's a totally different thing. A slime bot is a robot covered in disgusting goo.
Is that the tentacle you stole from the warehouse?
Oh, please. I used that tentacle as a back scratcher. When I was done scratching, I used it to build him.
Hey, guys, I think I'm gonna need a little help with the cluster here.
No, don't make me hurt my beloved Buster!
Well, I never liked him much.
Did I say never liked? I meant never got to know.
All right, Buster, the hammer's coming down.
Or up, as the case may be.
Aha! Uh-oh.
Oh! Good boy, Clusterbot. Now, get her!
Sticks! Buster won't attack you!
Aw, that's sweet.
No! I mean, if there's any way you can stop him, now's the time!
No!
Buster, don't do this. You're good inside. Remember all the times we had? Yeah, I don't remember any of that either.
And now, my clustery friend, finish them. No! Good cluster! Eat friends!
Buster, sit.
No! Stand! Be evil! No!
Buster, take out the trash.
No! I'm never making one of these again!
Now give the bone back. Good cluster. Buster, it turns out you were an evil robot. So maybe you're not pet material. I guess this is goodbye. Have fun out there in the big world.
Hey, guys! I found a giant octopus! Think I can keep him?
Changed my mind.